In 5 minutes, how to make your domain globally accessible. A website that reaches people all around the world is a game changer. Whether you're using a .com, .co.uk, .net, or any other domain extension, ensuring your website is accessible globally can significantly expand your market and drive business growth. Even at Hertfordshire Web Design, a seemingly local and regional business, we specialise in creating websites that not only look great, but can be accessed from anywhere in the world. Here's how you can make sure your website is visible to everyone, no matter where they are. Understanding domain extensions and global reach. Let's start with the basics. Domain extensions, also known as top-level domains, TLDs, are a key part of your website's identity. While .com is the most recognised and widely used, country-specific extensions like .co.uk are great for targeting local markets. However, no matter what domain extension you choose, your website can still be designed for global accessibility. Here's what you need to keep in mind: geographical restrictions. Some countries might block certain domains or websites due to local regulations or censorship. This can affect any website, not just those with specific domain extensions. To avoid this, ensure your content complies with international standards and local laws in the regions you want to reach. Hosting and server location. The physical location of your hosting server can impact your website's loading speed and accessibility. For the best performance, consider using a content delivery network, CDN. CDNs distribute your content across multiple servers worldwide, ensuring faster load times for users, no matter where they are. Content regulations. Different countries have different rules about what content is allowed. For example, some places have strict regulations on gambling, political commentary, or adult material. Make sure your website complies with the laws of the countries you want to reach to avoid any issues. Search engine optimization, SEO. Search engines like Google use domain extensions to help determine the relevance of websites in local searches. A .co.uk domain might rank higher in searches from the UK, for instance. However, to achieve global visibility, focus on creating high-quality, localized content and use international SEO strategies like hreflang tags to target different languages and regions. Language and localization. Offering content in multiple languages and considering cultural nuances can significantly enhance your website's global appeal. Localization goes beyond just translating your content. It's about adapting it to meet the cultural and linguistic preferences of your target audience. Best practices for ensuring global accessibility. At Hertfordshire Web Design, we follow these best practices to ensure your website is accessible and appealing to a global audience. Responsive design. A responsive website design ensures your site looks and functions well on all devices, from desktops to mobile phones. This is crucial for users worldwide who access the web from various devices. Fast loading times. Optimize your website's performance to ensure quick loading times. This is vital for keeping users on your site and improving your search engine ranking. Use CDNs and optimize images and scripts to boost speed. Compliance with international standards. Adhere to international web standards and accessibility guidelines, such as the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, WCAG. This makes your site usable for everyone, including people with disabilities. Robust SEO strategy. Implement a comprehensive SEO strategy that includes keyword research, high-quality content, and technical SEO. This will help improve your website's visibility in search engines across different countries. Analytics and continuous improvement. Use web analytics tools to track your international traffic and understand user behaviour. Regularly update and improve your website based on this data to better serve your global audience. Conclusion: expanding your website's reach to a global audience requires strategic planning and thoughtful execution. By understanding the nuances of domain extensions, optimizing your website for speed and performance, adhering to legal and cultural standards, and employing robust SEO practices, you can ensure your website is accessible to users worldwide. At Hertfordshire Web Design, we're here to help you achieve this goal with our expertise in web design and international SEO. Contact us today. Ready to take your website global? Contact Hertfordshire Web Design today to learn how we can help you create a website that reaches and resonates with a worldwide audience. Let's build something remarkable together.